What's the meaning of copier? Copier. Copier.
Copier. Copier. The word copier refers to a machine that can reproduce printed or handwritten documents by creating an exact duplicate of the original. The process of copying involves placing the original document on a flat surface, scanning or taking a photo of it, and then printing or reproducing the image onto a new piece of paper. Copiers are commonly found in offices and libraries, and they offer a convenient and efficient way to create multiple copies of important papers or documents without having to rewrite them by hand.